Before we got here to Berlin for IFA 2018, we knew we were going to see a lot of smart speakers, Alexa everything, Google Assistant everything. We also expected to see the same nondescript black boxes that we've been seeing for the past couple of years. Let's face it, the speaker market is kind of boring looking. We see some nice stuff, but nothing that actually makes a statement and really looks great in your home. Bang & Olufsen has always been the exception to the rule when it comes to speaker design, and we're seeing here at IFA 2018 yet another innovation from the company, introducing the new Beosound Edge. The speaker's design draws from the British pound coin, an old coin. In fact, it's actually the exact same dimensions. What you see here in terms of material are a solid piece of aluminum that's been bent into a perfect concentric circle. That is the housing for the speaker itself. It's got 5 individual amplifiers, and what you see down at the bottom is a huge, very stout 10-inch woofer that's accompanied by 2 4-inch drivers, one on each side of the speaker, and 2 3/4-inch tweeters, one on either side of the speaker. We'll explain why that's cool in just a moment. What you see at the top here is an innovation that Bang & Olufsen has applied for a patent for. This is a dynamic port. That is to say, when it's at low volume, the port is sealed. Turn the volume up and the port opens to allow more bass to come out. So the idea being that when you're playing it at low volumes, you can still get super tight bass and lots of detail, but when you crank it up for a party, it's really going to bump that bass. And I gotta tell you, it does that extremely well. They played a demonstration for us here. We're in a gigantic open room at a convention center, and we were absolutely rocked with bass. You could feel it percussive hitting your chest, but it's also very tuneful bass in that it maintains very good tight control of the intonation, so you're getting a perfect replication of the bass note. Now, Bang & Olufsen likes to invite you to touch the speaker as well, and in addition to it feeling very good, it's got that very smooth, cool aluminum surface. You can actually rock this speaker forward and backward to adjust the volume. So if we push it up forward here, the volume comes up. When we bring it back, the volume will actually come down. Now, the Edge looks great on the floor. I think that would dress up any room. It's certainly going to be a focal point of conversation, but you can also wall mount it, which looks even crazier. And you don't lose the functionality of being able to rock it back and forth to adjust the volume. You see there's a little dial here to kind of give you an indication of where the volume level is at, as well as some basic control. They're also going to give you a little dial so that you've got some manual control from elsewhere in the room. One other very cool thing about this is that because it's got drivers on both sides, it's got a left and it's got a right. You could use that room refraction to get sort of a big stereo field, or more to the point, if you just want to beam music into one area of the home, you can do that. The speaker is going to be available in mid-November. It's going to be $3,500, so it's a pricey speaker, but this is the kind of speaker where you just need the one and you're pretty much taking care of an entire floor of your home. It's that powerful, it's that loud, it's that clear, and it really is a premium audio experience. So if you're wanting to get a smart speaker that really performs well and looks awesome, Beosound Edge is one of the best products out there for that.